Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Today we'll be talking about Asante Kotoko. Do you think Asante Kotoko can win the Ghana Premier League this season? I'd like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section after this video and tell me if you think we are going to win the Ghana Premier League this season, and tell me what we need or what needs to be done to win the Ghana Premier League this season. Because judging from our game against Liberty Professionals, I think we are not too far away from perfect. We just need to sharpen one or two things, because in the first half we dominated, we created a lot of chances in the first half, but the second half Liberty Professionals read the game and we were better in the second half and created a lot of chances, but they just couldn't score because of our solid defensive line. Personally, I think our defensive line currently is good. Yeah, I think our defensive line is currently good, but the midfield sometimes they are not organized and they misplace passes, causing unnecessary counter attacks and make it difficult for the defense. Razak Abalora is very good when it comes to commanding the defense. Razak Abalora is extremely good. I am very happy we got that guy, because he's more commanding than Kwame Ba. I think the person closest to him in commanding defense is Felix Annan. Kwame Ba doesn't command the defense the way Razak Abalora and Felix Annan does. So I'm very pleased we got Razak Abalora. But our attack, the other thing I think Kotoko should do is to get wingers, to get attacking players. I know we have about 4 strikers. We need wingers, talented playmakers. That's what we need at Kotoko. Fabio Gama played very well against Liberty Professionals, fairly well actually, but I think he needs to work on his strength and physicality and how to read the game whenever he plays again, because sometimes he gets the ball and they just barge into him and collect the ball. He's not sharp enough. I think we need to give him time, because if you don't give him time, you won't get the best out of him, because the pressure will be too much and he won't be able to cope with the pressure. So personally, I think we should give Fabio Gama time to settle into the Ghana Premier League. We should stop the unnecessary hype. We can praise him for his performance. Yes, we shouldn't take it overboard, because when we do that, the expectations become higher and it will be difficult for him to be calm and play very well. Once we limit our hype and lower our expectations on Fabio Gama, that is when he will begin to surprise us and put out very good performance, because I don't think it is necessary. I don't think we should be hyping him after that performance. I think it was fairly good. Bad the assist, he played a very fairly good, keeping it simple, and I think he had a remarkable game. He also said it after the press conference that he did very well. He was pleased with his performance, but he has to improve to help his teammates, and that was very professional and truthful from him, because he has a lot of things to do to go. So I'm pleading with you fans, pleading with Kotoko fans, pleading with all Ghana Premier League fans to please have patience on Fabio Gama. Fabio Gama cannot turn into Ronaldinho or Ronaldo or Wamata or Pogba or whatever you want, whatever playmaker you want to call him. He cannot turn into that overnight. He's 30 years old, and I think he doesn't have a lot of strength in him. So he has to read the pace of the Ghana Premier League and put out a very good performance. So I think we should give him time to settle down. That is my opinion. Then talking about if we are going to league, I think we have what it takes to win the league. We just have to be patient. We just have to play the right, field the right players, get good recruitment, possible 1 midfielder and 2 or 3 playmakers. I think we are done with that, because right now the quality up front is not good enough. Bar Kwame Opoku and Osman Ibrahim, I don't think others can compare with those two, because William Opoku-Mensah, you saw against Liberty Professionals, he had several chances to score, but he missed them. Naby Keita doesn't look fit. I don't think he has any business doing in the middle of the pitch or going back to win the ball. I think Naby Keita is a penalty box striker, and I think his time at Kotoko is numbered. I don't think he will be here next season. So if Kotoko can get a strong midfielder, maybe a ball-winning midfielder, and 2 or 3 playmakers, I think we have what it takes to win the Ghana Premier League this season. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Can Kotoko win the Ghana Premier League season? Do we have what it takes to win the 2020-2021 Ghana Premier League season? I'd like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment on this video. So I think that's all for today. Till next time, guys, goodbye.